Hey everybody, I'm Taylor Scanlon. I'm a real estate agent with the Plowman team, and I want to welcome you to this newest house we have for sale here in Burketon. 10126 Old Scugog Road. We're just north of Bowmanville, just north of Oshawa, just south of Port Perry. This is a perfect country property that is so close to everything. We're 1.58 acres here. There's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, a huge workshop, tons of outbuildings. We have fire pits. We have everything you could want in a country property. We have it here. Here, come on, I'm gonna show you around. All right, so now I want to show you the inside of this garage here. So we are a huge workshop here. There's dedicated power out here. There's a commercial grade compressor. There's 2 pits, one over here, one over there, which you can't even do anymore. The garage door opens up huge. You can fit tractors in here. Anything you could possibly want to do, you can do in here. Actually, and right beside the garage, there's another kind of like workshop area as well. Here, you take a look around all there, and then I'm going to show you the inside of the house. All right, now that you've seen the property and the garage, the workshop, everything that there is to see outside, I want to show you the inside of this 4-bedroom rustic farmhouse, okay? So we have a formal dining area that kind of walks into the living area over here. There's a bar, it's nice and bright, perfect for all your entertaining needs. And then over here, we actually have our open concept kitchen. It's everything you need, right? Like this is a rustic farmhouse. You can do your finishing touches on this place, but it's perfect, okay? Like for the price, for the area, anything you're gonna find is not going to match this property. Yeah, let me show you the houses or the bedrooms upstairs. All right, so now we're on the 2nd floor here. Like I said, this is a 4-bed, 2-bath home. So we have 4 big bedrooms on this level. Yeah, behind me, we have the primary bedroom. We have custom wall-to-wall closets on both sides. So that's 2 huge closets. You take a look at the rest of the bedrooms and I will meet you after. All right, now I really wanted to showcase this part of the property here. So we were just over there behind the house, but like I said, this is a double wide lot. So over here, there is about 1/3 of an acre that, hey, if you get creative, maybe you can put another house on, but it's just another great spot for anything you want to do. Like look around, it's amazing. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. If you'd like to book your own private showing, make sure to call that number above. And if you want to be kept informed of all the other homes that we have coming up for sale, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All right guys, thank you. I will see you on the next one.